Emirates, na?
Yeah.
We're gonna keep walking that direction. You hear that sound? So,
Can I?
Yeah.
wait. Go a bit further.
No, not that I'm gonna.
Can you open the balcony window?
No. Okay.
What's this? Oh, you're gonna fall asleep.
Stop now.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have Jean.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Should I open? I don't wanna
you,
open.
Open.
No.
Open.
should open. You
Open.
should be closer.
What's this?
Your advent calendar.
Is this my advance?
Yeah. Pick the one.
Oh my god. What is this? How do you make it?
We go in the forest to pick a branch, and we buy a what is this called? Like a klamma in Dutch. Then there's a heart there.
I can only open this one a day, once a day.
One a day.
What the heck?
And number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Until the 24th.
Wait. Where do you get this thing?
Did you?
Yeah, it's L'Oreal Paris, but how come it's each by each and has a...
That's our we buy this.
No. You should not say.
Wait. I was thinking I will get an advent calendar, but the Maybelline Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So I was actually not very excited.
No.
Look at Papa. He did an advent calendar for me. Oh, Mama.
But Ella helped me.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I wouldn't be finished on time.
Oh. Wait, why you have run? Where do you get this?
In the forest. Where?
The lights. We got that in the forest.
But there's
No.
also lights. Look. Oh, there's a heart balloon here. Your clip from school.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
had to do that because provisional.
Oh, thank you, baby. Should I open one?
Yeah, the number one.
Don't show her where it is. She needs to find herself.
I found it already since I came in.
But you have to be careful.
Guys, I already opened my first advent calendar, the number 1. And I got here L'Oreal Paris Glam Beach Cushion. It's like that. Look at that. How much is this? Oh,
Never mind.
never mind. I always ask for price because if it's not, I don't know if I can all use this makeup. I have to wait until 24 until I can.
I think we found one that you probably don't use.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this all in the box? Look, Francine is amazed. But this is not food. It's makeup. Tingy.
But it's shiny.
Yeah.
Put it out.
So I show you guys ang ginawa nila, guys. Ang hagad-hagad ko pa naman. Uy, I should have really make myself. You should have really told me to keep at least myself lipstick on. Look, guys.
We didn't know.
Look, they made that
I
one.
knew, but I didn't know when. And since
All that.
I was thinking either today or never.
Busy ako sa kusina. Sila naman busy dito. Hindi ko alam. May pasurpresa pala sila. Nag-blindfold pa ako. Yeah?
Emirates blindfold.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Ella. Thank you, Frank. Get a kiss. We were eating sardines, guys. Then I told oh my God, eh. Thank you, people. Okay.
Si Francine.
I cannot wait to open my next day.
Me too. My Playmobil.
Ewan ko kung magagamit ko to lahat. Uy, 24 from L'Oreal.
Isa ra gyud dili nimo kayo magamit eh.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's only
Thank you,
one.
baby. You get a kiss later when I brush my teeth. Seriously, you made you took out the
Yeah, seriously. We should video that prank show she wants to.
With what? I cannot video myself since I have no storage.
But I can video.
Oh, thank you, people. Thank you. Thank you, Papa. Thank you,
Look at
Papa. Oh, I'm so haggard, guys. Paostingog. Oh. So since you are doing this, can you do me a favor?
Another one?
No? You end the vlog.
Ah, okay, easy.
Okay.
Switch off.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Francine.
Should be more fluent.
Bye-bye, guys. Salamat sa panonood. Until next time. I show you for the last time. My advent calendar. Thank you for my husband.
With
And
heart.
when Ala, look, there's a heart balloons there.
That
Oh,
will
I'm
be boom.
so amazed. I was not expecting. To my loving husband, thank you so much.
Hi guys, we are surprising Jean. This is her first advent calendar. Here, we are making. Here, you see that. Okay, we're gonna put this like that.
It's going to work.
Hi, welcome back. We first ate.
Now watch
So, we first the 23.
Get to number 23. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, like that. Put on the small ones, the light ones there. You can? Yeah, it's fine, yeah. Try to roll it together. No? Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's good. Then let me do the high ones. Anyway, they need to be on each edge. You put it sort of in the middle here and there, in the inside, so it won't be.
Hi, we are already finished here. Wait. Here. see. You can hear the balloon say. So we're gonna go to the bedroom, Chin's bedroom in front. So we can go then to blindfold Jin. Okay.
Make it.